SOLIDWORKS Plastics allows you to simulate the injection moulding process to identify and eliminate potential manufacturing issues and defects early in the design phase. With a customizable materials database of over 4,000 commercial thermoplastic grades, SOLIDWORKS Plastics provides precise visual representations of the moulding process to help identify air traps, weld lines, sink marks, and even short shots from within the familiar SOLIDWORKS interface. Instantly obtainable predictions are also available, showing the expected fill pattern as well as suggesting optimal gate locations, before even creating a mesh or solving the analysis. Investigate other important manufacturing considerations, such as cycle time and clamp force, and automatically generate accessible reports from the results using templates that can be customised to meet your company's standards. SOLIDWORKS Plastics Professional expands on these capabilities to allow users to evaluate the material freezing process during the packing stage. Further geometry beyond the cavity, such as hot and cold runners, sprues, inserts, and even multi-cavity moulds can all be included to give a comprehensive overview of the entire manufacturing process. The Professional Plastics package equips you with tools to ensure family moulds are evenly filled, automatically adjusting the runner geometry to ensure equal pressures at the end of the filling, while valve gates can also be simulated to avoid weld lines when filling larger cavities that require multiple injection locations. Advanced procedures such as co-injection, gas and water-assisted moulding can all be investigated in SOLIDWORKS Plastics Professional, intelligently making important cost savings on thicker parts by incorporating lower cost materials where possible. Further capabilities in Plastics Professional include simulation of bi-injection moulding to allow for accurate distribution of colour from multiple gate locations, multi-material overmoulding for efficient manufacture of mixed material parts, and even reaction injection moulding to allow use of thermoset plastics. Determine the birefringence properties of manufactured parts as well as any volumetric shrinkage that might occur in the packing stage. SOLIDWORKS Plastics Premium introduces in-depth analysis of the entire injection moulding cycle, including additional results showing the full warpage and displacement of parts, post-cooling, sink mark profiles, and the fibre orientation in the final part. Simulation of the cooling process with a premium package accounts for any inclusion of cooling channels, baffles and bubblers alongside mould geometry, while residual stresses can be exported for further investigation in SOLIDWORKS simulation. Engineers trust SOLIDWORKS Plastics to reduce moulding costs and inform their design decisions, and as part of the Trimec Group, we support them throughout their product development journey. Watch how SOLIDWORKS Plastics helps you design with minimal wastage in the demonstrations around our website, or book your own private demonstration to discover how we can help you to reduce costs and maximise your efficiency.